right, so I'm at the Colt booth and talking with a gentleman here, and your name is Paul
Spitali.
Spitali, yep. We were just looking at the Colt Defender here, and I was telling him that this is one of the ones that I would probably consider most likely for me to buy in the carry, because I like the lightweight and the compact size of the grip and the barrel. So I asked him to go through this again and just give us a quick rundown of their features of the Colt Defender.
Yeah, recently we updated the pistol in a few regards. We actually did a nice carry bevel, so it's cut up front, so reholstering quite easily on this gun. Actually upgraded the beaver tail and made it a little higher and more updated for today's shooter. Undercut the trigger guard so you can get nice and high on the gun.
Yeah, I like that actually.
And one of the really nice things about it is genuine Novak sight cuts on this pistol, as well as a tritium post and a night sight. What we find is the real nice recipe for night shooting is have a single post up front with a darkened rear. So this gun is ready for the night in terms of defensive purposes, as well as the G10 grips that we're using are actually a slimmer grip design, really made nice, nice. And we also beveled out the magazine well all the way around in the bottom of the pistols. You can see that we, So everything that you'd really want in a defensive pistol for today's shooting is carried in this gun. And one of the really nice things about it, we also carry Colt Defense ammo, 124 grain. Non-plus P load, gets tremendous penetration in FBI gelatin, almost 14 inches of penetration in gelatin.
And that's real standard now with their current testing.
And one of the really nice things is it's both in 45 and 9 millimeters. So at $8.99, it's hard to beat this product, and go to Colt.com to learn more about it.
Okay, excellent. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.